Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use Papa's clay and some amazing mold putty to make a floating ghost. Take some amazing mold putty and mix it together and turn it to a cylinder with a rounded top. Make this based on the size of the ghost that you want. And I chose this material because the clay comes off it super easily and you can reuse it as many times as you want. Then take some white Papa's clay and roll a slab out of it. I used size 3 on my pasta machine. Then lay it on top of your mold or your armature and let the clay fold naturally and it'll start to look like a ghost. Take a knife and cut a slit down the clay and trim off any excess. Then use your finger to combine the sides back together and just rub your finger up and down the clay to smooth it out, and after a minute or two the heat will make them look like a seamless piece. Then cut off any excess clay from the bottom so it looks more like a natural cloth ghost. You can run your finger over the edges to smooth those out too. If you have any clay cutters, you can use those to cut out 2 equal size eyes. And if you don't have any cutters, just use a knife and do the best you can. Now you can put your ghost in the oven, bake it, and you'll be done. One of the great things about this technique is that when you put the clay over your armature, it'll naturally look like a ghost with some natural flowing cloth with some nice folds. And when you're done, you can just pop the mold out and you'll have a nice hollow ghost that you can do whatever you want with it. You can hang it, hold it, or make a base for it. And I've made a few of them, and I even made a base for one of them and inserted an LED into it. And so when you turn on the LED, it looks like it's floating and shining. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more tutorials and check out our links in the description to buy Papa's clay and the other materials I use in this video.